going on, guys? Welcome back. Let's check out a 4Runner. I don't think I've ever done one of these before, but you know what they say, there's a first time for everything. Apparently these have a huge cult following, these 4Runners. A lot of people like them. They hold their value pretty good or go up in value in some cases. So let's see what all the hype is about. Let's check this one out. It's a 2021, basically new. It's got, I think, 8,000 miles on it. But let's see what we're working with here. I don't do a lot of Toyotas and lesser cars on the channel. I know you guys like luxury stuff, but let's see what we're working with here. I'm curious. Really good legroom. In case you guys don't know, I put the driver's seat in my driving position. See how much room I have. I'm not exactly petite, and legroom is plentiful, but we're here for the squeaks. Not a squeak, just my hand rubbing. Squeaks are non-existent in the back seat. Let's check out the front seat. Alright, now let's do the button test. Oh, almost forgot. And now for the final button. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I won't let me shift anyway. Oh. Now for the final button. Alright, how did it do? Well guys, to my surprise, I did not hear any squeaks in this car. I know Toyotas in general are pretty solidly built. There's a reason why they have the reputation that they do, but this one has not squeaked at all. If anything, because I'm going to watch this video back later with my sensitive microphone, if anything, you just heard my hands and fingers rubbing on certain parts, but seriously, to my own ears, no squeaks in this car at all. I swear to God. Wasn't expecting that from Toyota, but then there is a lot of plastic in here, which I'll get to in a sec. Didn't squeak. 10 out of 10 for fit and finish. I have zero complaints when it comes to that. Materials, on the other hand, a little bit different. We're working with a plastic steering wheel. Not my favorite. I'm not exactly sure with these 4Runners how far you can go with options to make the interior nicer. I really don't know how you can spec these. I'm just going based off of this car. This part here is good soft touch, but then right at this little border here, if I can get my camera to focus, there we go. This little border turns into hard, crappy plastic, and then that kind of continues on this way. This is a different kind of plastic. It's got these little perforations here. It's hard, not the best. It kind of carries over here, the lower parts, of course. This area, this is like a smooth plastic, but I know a lot of Toyota and even Lexus products use this kind of smooth plastic right there. But again, Toyota, I don't have ultra high expectations anyway. The buttons are pretty mediocre overall. They're not bad though. They're just not all that special. I do like these knobs though. They kind of have like a rugged feel to them in a way. They're kind of big and bulky. While they're not super high quality, I do like them anyway. And then we have leatherette seats right here. Can't expect real leather, I guess, from a car like this. It's okay, I guess. It's not bad. It's probably more durable than real leather. And then we got, this is really a nasty cloth headliner right here. I don't like the way this feels. This reminds me of my parents' 2000 Honda CR-V. Very cheap material right here. Don't like it, but what I do like is a cloth sun visor, and it's got a little bit of padding in here, so it actually feels reasonably good to the touch. They actually got the Germans beat on this. So for materials, I don't really review cars like this that are in this kind of category or for this kind of buyer. These 4Runners are kind of in a niche market here. For materials, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10, which again is relevant compared to the other German cars or the luxury cars that usually do have better materials. I'm not saying it's 3 out of 10 for this car sucks. I'm not saying that at all. This is an objective score. It's this car versus many others, and this car falls in 3 out of 10 for materials, in my opinion. And remember, these videos are just my opinion. These are not factual. These are not to take to heart. You guys watch my videos for my opinion. So there you guys have it. 10 out of 10 for fit and finish, 3 out of 10 for materials. But I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.